Deleting Chrome history on your laptop is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So open up your laptop, go to your Chrome profile. In the Chrome profile, simply go ahead on the main page. Either you can press Control plus H, that way you'll be redirected to the Chrome history, or you can click on the three dots on the top right corner. And once you do that, you will see a history option underneath the password and autofills. So simply go ahead and click on history and you will see a history option on the left side. Click on that and you will be redirected to this page. So once you're in this page, just select tabs that you want to delete. For example, I can delete the tab history. By deleting the history, the tab history will be deleted. And if I want to delete a bunch of it, I can press Control plus A in order to select all of them, or I can go one by one by clicking on each and every dot. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share.